Clean it up, please. Ready? Push, push.
Well, you gotta turn on carpet mode.
Oh, yeah. Maybe that's why it didn't work before.
Oh, good one, Marty. Good move.
That's
Push
really
it.
funny.
Push it.
No, he's trying to make it flat. He's smart.
Good job.
Well, just spit them all back out.
Not so good.
Great job.
Good thing you don't have a dog that's probably going to choke on that. Are you cleaning?
Can I help you? Yeah, let's clean up. It's working.
Yeah, you just got to line it up in that little slot, though.
Is it working, Marty? Let me see.
Oh, let's turn on the juice.
I think that helped. Are you eating it? I'm just eating it.
Don't give him ideas.
He's gonna eat one, I'm sure of it.
Hi.
It's not working.
Hi. Baby Ellie. Baby Ellie.
Opa! You're gonna find those styrofoam balls in his poop.
They just slide right through.
Marty, why am I doing this? You do it.
Yeah. That's why I said we don't need that
Well,
much. I know we're going to end up doing it. And what are you videotaping?
I know.